secret talent?
I knew. I can make my tongue do this.
That is so cool, Susan. Only 40% of people go over the top. Anybody else has a secret talent?
Me. I want to share my secret talent.
Okay, Johnny, show us your secret talent. But everybody gotta close their eyes for 3 seconds first. All right, class, close your eyes. Johnny's gonna show us his secret talent. Anytime, Johnny.
Okay.
Okay, let's all look. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, Johnny, are you a psychopath?
Silence!
That's enough backtalk, you can forget about going to that concert tonight.
What? You can't do that.
I can, and I have.
Fuck you!
I'm gonna cook them to make my friends go crazy.